Hi everybody, and thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of DANDLINC Product Review. Today we're going to look at this stuffy hammock made by the Huddle company. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and notify so you see all my new videos. Let's open this up. Pretty simple packaging, I like that. This is neat. If you do the survey, you get this free 2-piece mini rope basket set. Free standard silica gel pack. And looking at this, you have right away a couple different ways to mount this to the wall. The big rings are for putting it in masonry, and the long wiry hooks, those are either gorilla hooks or monkey hooks. Wherever you buy them, they'll be called something else. And now we're looking at the net itself. This is a heavy macrame type material, not like a string, not a rope type material, but pretty heavy, and it looks nice, kind of a boho look to it. This comes in 3 colors. This is the ivory. They also have kind of a rustic blush and a gray. We're going to go ahead and put this up in my daughter's room. The boho look really matches her current aesthetic. Before we go too much further, let's take a look at the 2 mounting systems they give you. In this plastic bag, there are the heavy eye bolts and the nylon anchors. That's for a heavy plaster or a masonry type application. We don't need that. We have the standard drywall finished home, so we're going to use these long, thin, wiry clips called gorilla clips, and they're super convenient. They don't make much of a mark at all in the wall, and you don't really need a tool to put them up. So we'll use those. I'll probably do this in quick time to save you some boring stuff and let you enjoy some more banjo music. Let's get to it. Okay, it goes up pretty quickly, pretty simply. This again is the stuffy hammock. Give your kids space to play, made by the Huddle supply company. It really fits the aesthetic my daughter has going on right now. It's kind of a macrame rope look to it, and once she loads it up with all her stuffed animals, it'll be a good way to keep the floor space clear of playthings and display them at the same time. If you want to learn more about these, I'll stick a link in the description where you can buy your own. As always, thanks for watching.